Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to answer Ashley's question from inside my training program. Is there a way to find out if you have duplicates? I'm going to do that in a different video. Or a list of all contact I can export to see if I have duplicates. So you want to export your contacts. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. It's really easy to do. You're going to go to your contact section. So I'll just click on something else. Take me here. So I'm going to go to contacts. And you can create a filter and then export your filter. If you want to export all contacts, you're just going to go here, export, right? But if you wanted to say I need to filter to contacts that have only been created after the last month or something, you'd find created date. I might have gone past it. It would probably be one of the first ones, will it? Close, create date, right? So you would say is after, and then put a date in, this month, and that would filter to those people. Then you could export those people. But what we're talking about is exporting all contacts, right? So all you've got to do is see all contacts. I've got 364 test ones, options, export, and then I've got an option. I've got two options here, right? The file format. If you're looking to import this into another program, you probably want to do it as a CSV file. It's the better way for other programs to import your data. If you're just used to using Excel, XLS, XLSX, you can do it as that format. And then if you've filtered down your columns to just showing what information you want in these columns, you can get it to export just the column information. So if I'm going to go XLSX spreadsheet and then properties, include only properties in these columns. So if you're only interested in what are in these columns, or if you want everything, and export, it'll take depending on how many you've got. Mine was pretty quick last time I tested it. I just did the information there. I've just got an email. Here we go. Your CRM has been delivered. So here's the information. Download. I think it just downloaded itself actually. Download. Yeah, no, it didn't. So anyway, so here's the download, and now I can open up my spreadsheet. I haven't got any actual information in, and I can do, you can obviously do tracking stuff in Excel to find duplicate contacts, but this was how to export all your contacts. All right, so just finally again, I'll go through it again. Wherever you are, click on contacts, filter down. If you want to edit your columns to however you want it to look, options, export, select what file format. Again, if you're going to import this information into another program, you're going to do CSV, separated value. It's the way that the import exports will be able to decipher your data. Or if you're just going to use it as a spreadsheet, then use one of the others, XLSX if you've got a new Office Excel. Include all properties or just the column properties and smash export. So hopefully that helps. Ask me any questions. Come to the HubSpot training. This is where we're going to answer all these questions on HubSpot. We're going to get everything you need to know in one place. It's free. I'll create the YouTube videos, helps my YouTube channel, and you ask the questions, and that helps me find out what you need. So any more questions, you know where I am. See you soon. Cheers.